What's up, hungry people? Welcome to the Starving Chef's Kitchen. Today, we are going to bust out our air fryer to make some quick and easy Brussels sprouts. The air fryer helps to achieve Brussels sprouts with a crunchy outer layer and a tender, savory center. First, cut the Brussels sprouts in half, and then drizzle with some olive oil, Himalayan sea salt, Hungarian paprika, fresh cracked pepper, and some garlic powder. Add in some chopped Canadian bacon. You can also use regular thick-cut bacon or sliced ham. Mix it all together and make sure the Brussels sprouts are evenly covered, and then transfer the Brussels sprouts over to the air fryer. I have a Big Boss air fryer with a large glass bottom cooking chamber because I like to watch my food cook, but a normal air fryer will work just as well. Set the air fryer to about 400 and then put the time for 15 to 20 minutes. Brussels sprouts are pretty easy to overcook, so be careful to keep an eye on them towards the end. They'll be fork tender and not mushy when they're ready. The Brussels sprouts should just be wilting on the outside and should have turned a bright green and have a glossy sheen to them when they are done. You can serve your Brussels sprouts plain or drizzle on some balsamic vinegar or shredded mozzarella for some added flavor. Personally, this is my favorite way to make Brussels sprouts because they have a nice and crispy exterior and a soft and tender inside. Don't forget you can find this full recipe on my website, thestarvingchefblog.com, with step-by-step instructions. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this recipe and subscribe for a new recipe every week. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comments below. I hope you all enjoy and I'll talk to you soon.